Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with Unice. They sent me over this beautiful 7x5 by Knots pre-everything lace wig. Not only is she pre-everything, she's also pre-styled. So you can see here it's a nice beautiful layered bang. You have the layers for the nice va boom, kind of like the Farrah Fawcett vibe. And then you have the pre-cut bangs. They even came with the cute little roller in it, which I'll show you in the next clip. And then we can't forget the awesome nice wavy texture. Today I'm going to be doing a 100% glueless install. You'll see me custom cut the bangs. Although they did come pre-styled, you definitely have that option to kind of trim them to your liking. I also went ahead and did a really nice full head of curls. Absolutely gorgeous. But even before then, you'll see me literally put the wig on, brush out the curls, and go. And you'll see, even without doing anything at all, not even tinting the lace, this one here is absolutely fire. So if you want to see how it looks straight out of the box, how it looks when you first put her on, and then of course how we went ahead and styled her, keep on watching. Okay, love bugs, we survived our first ever competition weekend. It was absolutely amazing. I had so much fun. We celebrated with going out to eat, going shopping. The girls got some Build-A-Bears to commemorate the moment. Today I am working with Unice. We are going for a bang. I love when they send me these beautiful pre-styled bang wigs. It gives pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline, but it also has a little extra splash with a bang detail. Here is what she looks like, and you gotta be a little bit gentle with the bang to make sure that, you know, it stays intact till we put her on. Bust down middle part, of course. Look at how beautiful and warm that parting looks. It's gonna be easy for this to blend and look super natural. Nice and long, and we have a beautiful curl pattern down here. And then when you flip her around, you can see we are rocking a closure wig with that pre-everything, pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. As I mentioned, the hairline does have a scallop cut, so if you happen to pull the hair back, it's nice and flawless. Beneath that, or as you navigate the actual cap, you do have your adjustable and removable elastic band. And then around to the nape, you also do have a comb at the nape as well as the adjustable straps. Everything is here and everything is everything. It is 4:06. We leave at 4:15 to get to dance on time today, and so let's go ahead and install her. Okay, so I went ahead and adjusted the straps all the way to the center, or about the center. I also went ahead and adjusted the straps at the nape. Multitasking, I'm also turning on the electric hot comb, and I think I'm going to turn on the curling iron for this one. Or maybe I should turn on this Tymo that we are still deciding if we love. Heat everything up just to see what we'll need. Now let's go ahead and put her on. Ooh, okay, so this is what she looks like on, and here goes this freaking, I don't know what that means, but anyways, I love the curl pattern. The center, you gotta kind of make sure you got it centered with your nose. It looks like we have a little bit of layer in the front, so this is like a layered cut with the bangs. Here she is from the back, nice and full. Now this one I think we can wear glueless, so I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, maybe I can show you the hairline, right? Well, you really can't with the bang, so let's go ahead and remove the bang or the roller. And this is a two-piece roller, so they do have it just on top like this so that it doesn't crimp it, but you can like put the bang or re-roll it whenever you want to hold your bang in place and clamp this on top. But yeah, just thought I would let you guys know that. Here, let's do a quick brush out. Very gorgeous, very demure. Step one, we're going to kind of push it back a little bit. If you don't want to cut the bang, you can kind of like curtain it like this, like to the side. You can see the nice layers in the front. First step for me is I'm just going to add a little bit of wax along the parting. I love what they did with the parting to begin with, but of course it is a pretty windy here in LA, so I want to make sure when the wind is blowing and where everything is flying around, my lace is just sitting magically. Next, I'm patiently trying to decide if we do want to cut the bang or leave it. I feel like I like it as is. Almost if we do something like that. Then I also think it doesn't hurt to trim off like ½ inch. So right now it goes all the way to the top of the bridge of my nose. Hopefully that wasn't too much. And I don't want to bump it too hard. Let's just take a comb and see if we like it, and we actually love it. I don't think I want to bump it any more than it already is. The parting is actually perfect, so you don't have to like tip the lace, if you will. I mean, you can, but I don't feel like I have to per se. And just like that, I am gonna head out just like this, not bonded down, no glue, no gel, no spray. I think it looks a little bit crooked. Now it looks perfect. So I'm gonna head out just like this, and I can even take and just twist it back and do my favorite clippy clip. And I think the bangs and all of the things make it look really cute. So I think this is the look for dance. Nice and sassy. We'll be back in the next clip to do some curls and just, you know, give it a little bit of our own little touch. This is what she looks like all the way around. And voila, we'll see you in the next clip. Okay, love bugs, we are back. It's actually 9:10, so we've been back and the kids are about to do their goodnight routine, but I decided to come and speak to you guys before I start the good night routine with the kids. Right now, I'm gonna just take some time and just watch a YouTube video or something like that. And I am going to curl the ends of this hair. So let's go ahead and get into it. And yeah, we'll see how it comes out. Okay, so we are done curling this beauty up, and surprisingly I went pretty fast. Sometimes I will take my time, especially when I get to watching shows and things. Now I do still have this one 100% glueless. She fits nice and snug, but of course it's easier to lift without adding any spray. If I were going anywhere right now, like I would definitely glue it down. Like if I had an event to go to, I'm just always gonna glue it down. Not glue, let me be clear. I would melt it with like a extra hold hairspray, but because I don't have anywhere to go day to day this week except for my normal routine, I'm not gonna be gluing it down. And that is the beauty and convenience of this one, is that you don't have to. Also, you guys did see I did cut this one by choice, trim it down, but even right now it's giving like cut it a little bit more, and I want to keep the length, so I'm gonna keep it there. I also did go ahead and touch up that bang. Now let's go ahead and add just a little bit of lace to end the parting just to see what will happen. Shade 15, and this one is from Ruby Kiss, and this is the mineral cream, or not mineral cream, the cream foundation. And just take a eyeshadow brush or a liner brush and pack it in, and you can see what it looks like. And then from there you can take and set it, or you can add a darker shade if you like. So here's the packaging and what came in it. This is the beautiful box from Unice. You guys know I love the color and the style and the vibe. Inside we got some goodies, starting off with this HD wig caps, and these are exclusive to Unice. We also got the wig tape, and we have quite a bit to last us a while. Here we have the new and improved baby hair brush, and it comes with the rat tail end and then an extra brush head. And last but most certainly not least, we got not one, not two, but 3 wig bands. This here is the OG original, and it has that original Unice logo with that pink detail. And then we have the 2 new and improved ones. These are literally like mini headbands, or wig bands rather. They are significantly smaller and thinner than the original, making it easier to keep and wear your wig band for your lace, especially when you kind of want to be discreet. These are great for the gym, bedtime, all of the things, right? And that is pretty much it, love bugs. You guys seen me take this one straight out of the box, put her on my head, brush her, and go. Went out into public and she was absolutely fire. But you know, we also had to turn it up a notch and give you a custom cut, give you a little bit of lace tint, a little dynamic duo. You even see me do a full head of curls, and as you guys can see, she is definitely one that you should add to your collection. I love the layered cut in the front. It gives you that nice Farrah Fawcett vibe. You can definitely take and make her like a silk press in a way, and that will also look cute for a quick switch up. up. You guys see me pin her up in all of the things. Even the lace is 10 out of 10. Definitely just a staple wig to have in the collection. I am going to leave a link in all of the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.